So, how do you create a text file on Android? The thing is, you can use something like the Samsung Notes app or Google Keep or another note taking app. But the problem with these is that they will save your text inside their own locked database and not as a standard text file that you could open up on a PC, for example. So, if you want an actual text file, the easiest way to do that is to use Google Drive. And what we're going to do in Google Drive is you can tap the little plus icon on the bottom, and we're going to create a Google Doc. This will create a new document, and here you type in your text. I'm just going to type, "This is my text file," and I'm done. We can also name this document here. Then, to save this as a text file, because right now it is just a Google Doc, I'm going to tap the three dots in the top right corner. And then, towards the bottom, you'll see an option to share and export this. So, we'll tap that and then choose Save As. Here, you can save the document and choose anything from a PDF file to plain text, rich text format, whatever you want. I'm going to go with plain text. Hit OK, and it's going to save this file as a regular text file. There it is. Now, because it is in Google Drive, I can tap Download, and it's going to download it to my phone's internal storage, right into the Downloads folder. So there is my text file, and here I can not only look at the file, but if I want to, I could tap the Share button and share it to another app or device, whether that's email, quick share, whatever. Or I could plug my phone to a computer and open this file on my computer as well. And that is how you create a text file on your Android phone. Click that like button down there if this video helped you, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.